Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to my lecturer and my fellow friends and also groupmates. Today we are going to discuss about the sensors that we have chosen for this topic, which is sound sensor. I'm gonna begin with the introduction of a sound sensor. What is a sound sensor? A sound sensor is also known as sound detector or sound sensor module. Is an electronic device that is designed to detect sound waves and convert them into electrical signals. These sensors are widely used in various applications and industry, ranging from noise level, ranging from simple and home and automation. This is this sound sensor is also important for our daily life. This is because the main function of sound sensor is to detect the noise level of each uh, noise uh, noise leaking from various sources lah. One of the sources is like heavy machinery, even people or electronic device. It is important because sound sensor provide us with the knowledge of measuring um, a range of a sound that can detect whether it is harmful for our ears or it is safe. A typical sound sensor comprises several key components, with the heart of the system is a microphone, and this component plays and also a sound transducer. This component plays a pivotal role in air pressure caused by sound waves into electrical voltage. This is the example of sound sensor module that have been used widely in our industry. That's all from me, and I'm gonna pass to Ismail for the next presentation.
Okay, thank you, Darwish. To understand how sound sensors work, we have to understand the function of sound sensors that involve exploring the integrated process of exploring, translating, and utilizing sound information. The microphone captures sound wave, and the signal is then conditioned for optimal processing, and the resulting electrical output is harnessed for myriad of applications. As such, the next example is microphone or sound transducer. The core component of sound sensor is the microphone or sound transducer. This is the part that listens to the sound in the environment. Different types of microphones may be used, such as condenser microphones or electric microphones, depending on the application. The next example is sound wave detection. When sound wave reach the microphone, they cause changes in air pressure. The microphone diaphragm or transducer element responds to these pressure changes. And finally, the output interface, that the conditioned electrical signal is then made available to the sound sensor's output interface. The output can be in the form of analog voltage levels, digital signals such as pulse width modulation, or other signal types depending on the sensor's design. I will pass on my presentation to the next presenter, Zamuddin.
Selamat malam, good night to my friend and my fellows. Okay, I want to show about application of sound sensor. Okay, application of sound sensor kalau mengikut pada ganjat of pada bunyi, kita punya breathing saja pun dah boleh jejak 13 dB. Jam berdetik pun saja dah 20 dB. Kira library senyap pun dah 40 dB. Kita punya pendengaran boleh jejak sampai 70 dB saja. Kalau dah kadang-kadang kalau dah terlebih sampai 120 dB tu dah sampai boleh merosakkan pendengaran kita. So dekat situ kita kena function untuk sensor yang dekat earphone kat situ kita boleh check kat tempat situ dah kita perlu pakai ke belum untuk penutup telinga untuk kita jaga kita punya pendengaran. Macam contoh kan sekarang kita punya detector kalau kawasan senyap 48 tau. Lepas tu kalau kita check balik, kalau kita tengah bercakap ni nampak sampai 80 lebih, 70 lebih. 80 dB. So app-app ni berfungsi dekat mana-mana walaupun dekat di mana-mana walaupun. So saya akan beri kepada kawan saya seterusnya.
Thank you, Azamuddin, for the explanation about sound sensor. And now I want to talk about advantage of sound sensor. Number one is versatility. Sound sensor are versatile and can be employed in wide range of application for noise monitoring in urban areas to industrial processes, home automation, and security system. Number two is real-time monitoring. They provide real-time monitoring of sound level, enabling timely response to change in the acoustic environment. And number three, safety and security. In security system, sound sensor can detect unusual sound, such as breaking glass or specific pattern of noise, contributing to enhanced security measure. Number four is automation and smart system. They play a vital role in automation and smart system, where device can respond intelligently to sound cues, contributing to more responsive and adaptive environment. Number five is non-intrusive monitoring. Sound sensor allow for non-intrusive monitoring of environment without the need for physical contact with the monitor area or equipment. And lastly is number C, cost effectiveness. Sound sensor are often cost effective solution for various applications, providing reliable performance without significant expense. That's advantage. And now I will pass for Rabin.
Thank you, Azim. So, good evening, everyone. So today I will talk about application of sound in industrial. So first we will see about occupational safety, health and safety. So sound sensor are applied to monitor noise level in industrial environments, ensuring the compliance with occupational health and safety regulation. Excessive noise can be pose risk to workers' hearing, and sound sensors may help them to maintain safe working environments and health. So second thing is in monitoring bearing and gas. So in we all know that bearing and gas always emits sound waves. So when the rotating machine they will emit a sound wave, so it may be distract such as indicate where or misalign, prompting maintenance and intervention to prevent failures. So sound sensors we will use for leak detection. So sound sensors can be used to detect leaks in the pressurized system, such as piping system lah. Thing is quality control in manufacturing. So in manufacturing processes, sound sensors are employed for quality control. They can identify variation in sound that may indicate defects or irregularities in production line, ensuring the consistency of product. So in a manufacturing company, we all know that every product has to be in the same quality. It cannot be irregularities or defects. So to find it very easy, sound sensors are very play a vital role there. Is environment sound noise compliance. Industrial facilities often need to comply with environmental noise regulation. Sound sensors are used for continuous monitoring to ensure that noise level generated by the operation machinery and process are within acceptable limits.
Okay, thank you, Ravil, and everyone else for your honest opinion and your information sharing. We have concluded that sound sensor is a very important part in our daily life, but not just for industry, but also for the safety of humans. That's all from us. Thank you very much for listening to our discussion. Thank you so much.